The judge said, I'm going to let him intervene and make his claim. I'm not saying I'm going to grant it. I'm not saying he's entitled to anything, but he gets to come in here and make his claim he's met that threshold. So that's where we are, and they still have not had a hearing. It was supposed to be on tomorrow to have the hearing on whether or not he's entitled to any child support.
Yes, and the issue, though, as far as it not being, you could see the standing for somebody. There's also the issue, though, is if you don't file before you turn 18, you waive it.
Yep.
And so I think there's a potential. There's so many problematic issues with that. And we talked on one podcast about, does that mean every single GAL is committing malpractice by not advising their clients that they may have a financial interest in?
Well, I mean, I think you'll get to that point if the judge grants child support and says that he had a right to intervene and ask for the child support, grants him child support, it goes up to the Court of Appeals, ends up probably at the Supreme Court, and they say that it was proper, then you just have this established right of every child, and that drastically alters the responsibilities of anybody that represents children. I think there's no other way that you could look at it if Judge Johnson grants the request for support here and legitimizes the intervention of a child in the parent's divorce, and it's upheld by higher courts, then yes, I think it.
Well, she's already legitimized the intervention because she's allowed it. So there's people right now that could fall through the cracks that would age out of the system. And so are their rights can't be upheld if they're going to turn 18 in 3 weeks. They can't wait for the Court of Appeals.